To be honest, if you're lazy, this entire content is for you. You won't find any fake motivation here. No wake up at 5 a.m. lectures. Today, I'm going to tell you about a 90-day comeback formula that works even for those who start repeatedly and then quit midway. First, let's be clear about one thing. You're not lazy because you're weak. You're lazy because your method is wrong. Phase 1. Accepting reality. Day 1 to 10. The first step is to stop lying to yourself. You tell yourself every day, I'll definitely start tomorrow. I'm not in the mood right now. The situation isn't right now. But the truth is, the perfect mood never comes. The perfect situation never exists. The person who waits for the right time ends up waiting their whole life. In these 10 days, you don't need any results. Just be honest. Tell yourself, I am lazy. I can't be consistent. I'm wasting my potential. This isn't weakness, this is clarity. And without clarity, no comeback is possible. Phase 2. Minimum effort rule. Day 11 to 40. Lazy people fail for only one reason. They try to do too much at once. Workout, straight to a 2-hour plan. Study, the entire syllabus in one day. Work, 10 tasks at once. Result, burnout, quit, regret. The rule of this formula is simple. Less effort but daily. Do only as much each day as you can manage, even when you're feeling lazy. Workout, 5 minutes. Study, 10 pages. Skill, 20 minutes. That's all. The goal here isn't results. The goal is to show up daily. Not a single day should be skipped. The effort may be small, but it must be daily. Phase 3. Identity change on day 41 to 70. Now the real game begins. Stop saying, I'm trying, and start saying, I'm the kind of person who doesn't quit. You might be lazy, but you are not a quitter. Every small action you take daily changes your identity. And when your identity changes, discipline becomes automatic. Phase 4. Momentum explosion. Day 71 to 90. Now you won't have to push yourself. Now habits won't control you, you will control your habits. You will feel more energy, better focus, inner confidence, and the most powerful feeling, self-trust. Final truth. You won't become perfect in 90 days, but you will become the kind of person who doesn't have to start from zero again and again. And that is the biggest secret to success in life. Not having to start over every time. Remember, being lazy is not the problem. Giving up is the problem. Now the decision is yours. For the next 90 days, either make excuses or change your life.